नमस्कार, सत श्रीकाल, सलाम वालेकुम, Jai Hind. Akash Shukla, founder admin from Pan India and overseas educators jobs. Today just we are talking about so many messages we are getting, sir, how to apply and in which manner we should apply, at what time we should apply, what is the specific method to apply. So there is no specific method, just you need to change your strategies. If your strategies are not working, then you need to change the method. Okay, you need to change only your method and strategies, but not the goal. Okay, so many people they are joining and they tell to us, sir, we are not getting the opportunity because you are the fresher, and before that you were not principal. You were not a vice principal. You don't have any experience. So those people who want to upgrade themselves with vice principal and the principal and the directors, if they have their dream, then you have to be strong. You have to be strong with your goal, with your decision, with your strategies. Guidance we can provide, okay, but you have to implement the knowledge you have to gain. Okay, you need to revise so many things regarding board bylaws and all. Okay, the communication you need to build up with the employer. Okay, definitely you will be giving your interview, no one else. You need to convince your employer. You need to negotiate on salary part also. Okay, you need to compromise with your salary also if you are going to upgrade yourself. Okay, so many times what happens, the people they are thinking like so many vacancies are coming, in bulk. It means it is very easy task to upgrade with vice principal or principal post, but it is not an easy task. It is not a single task. Okay, but still you want to upgrade, then you need to be positive, make strong yourself, your thoughts, your views. You need to maintain the positive vibes around of you. Okay, so these are the common things. And the way in which manner you want to apply, our second question was that whenever you want to apply, you need to open your Gmail or the mail from which mail you want to apply. You need to select the section. There are 3 sections of the top side, like 2. Second is BCC and CCC. If you want to apply for multiple jobs, then you should copy all the mails in BCC sections. Okay, because when you are going to apply with the BCC section, it means blind carbon copy. So whoever will get the mail, they will not be able to know then for which schools you have applied, to whom you have applied. It will be showing like you applied to them only individually. Okay, so I request you to kindly go through with that. Copy paste all the mails in BCC sections. Then you need to write your subject. Okay, like apply for the post of principal, vice principal. Okay, apply for the post of the principal with year of experience. Definitely you must be doing, definitely, but I am revising this because of so many requests here. Approximately more than 1000 messages are there. I am not able to read all the messages. I am really very sorry for that, but still I will try to read all the messages. Okay, and I will try to implement all the things in video if you are requesting. Okay, I can do that, but I don't have also time. Okay, but still I am doing. So next you need to come to the body section. In body section you need to paste your cover letter. That is cover letter, just you can paste from your Word file and you can paste there. You need to upload your resume in the PDF file. There would be a section for the attachment file. So you need to upload only PDF file. That would be very okay and convenient for everyone. Okay, so that it can be open in any system of any version of the operating system also. Okay, so upload your PDF file of your resume, as well as you will be having your all academic documents from 10th class onwards up to last degree. Okay, and after that you will be having a appointment letter, offer letter, experience letter. So you need to make one separate PDF, like your cover letter, then resume. Okay, and after that your academic details like 10th class mark sheet, passing certificate, 12th mark sheet, passing certificate in graduation. Okay, degree, post graduation degree, B.Ed degree, okay, and whatever else it is, okay. Then after degrees, after certificates, then you will be like adding in the PDF appointment letters, okay, in ascending order. Appointment letters, experience letters, okay. So you need to merge each and everything. If you want to merge Aadhaar and Aadhaar card also, that will be okay. And whatever the achievements you are having certificate, then you can add also in that. So these two PDFs you can upload on that thing or mail, and you can send that. When to send? When to send? You need to send your email at least thrice during the school working hours. Working hours means between 9 to 1 p.m. you can send it. Okay, like I'm sending, even I'm a student, I'm sending one mail at 9 a.m. and second mail at 11 a.m. and third mail is at 1 p.m. Okay, then I will repeat this same thing again after a day. Because if you are going to apply in an evening, there is nobody is sitting in the office, nobody is ready to open the desktop, the screen of the laptop. Okay, they will come in the morning and your mail will be going down the stack order. It will be going to jump on the second page, third page in the morning, because you are not only the person who is going to apply. There are so many persons, so many principals, vice principals, those who are very good, they are also applying. Okay, those they are applying, so that like 5,000 people they applied, then your mail will be going down. So it's better to apply during the morning hours when the screen is open and everyone can see. Okay, so these were the some tips. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, एक दूसरे की मदद करते रहिए. दुनिया ऐसी चलती है और चलती भी रहेगी.